sunrise, feel the vibe we bring. Boom shakalaka. Everybody wild, laughing with you, so acting like a child. Boom shakalaka. Reggae to the soul, tonight we lose control. Tonight we lose control. Pull up at the party with the whole crew deep. Bassline heavy, make the whole place shake. Aunties in the corner doing old school moves. Uncles by the barbecue dancing in chandos and boots. Ukulele ringing while the speakers blow. Everybody singing every word they know. Brown skin shining underneath the moon. Island vibes jumping from June to June. Oh, it's all don't stop now. Wave your hands and jump around. From the village to the town, we bringing all the fire down. Boom shakalaka, move your body now. Hands in the air, let me hear you shout. Boom shakalaka, island people sing. Dance to the sunrise, feel the vibe we bring. Boom shakalaka, everybody wild, laughing with you, so acting like a child. Boom shakalaka, reggae to the soul. Tonight we lose control. Tonight we lose control. Girls looking pretty with the flowers in there. Boys trying too hard, flexing everywhere. TikTok live while the whole crowd dance. One more song and we all in trance. Police drive past and they shake their head. Too much noise but the party still spread. Neighbor yelling keep it down from afar, but 2 minutes later they dancing by the car. Boom shakalaka when I step in the place. Island boy swagger with the smile on my face. Bass so loud make the whole ground shake. Aunties in the back yelling give me one break. It's Samoan boy fresh with the flowers on shirt. Two-stepping hard while I'm covered in dirt. From the rugby field straight into the night. Now the whole crowd bouncing underneath the lights. DJ spin it back, let the whole tune reload.